everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to create your first Kahoot. The first thing you do is open up your app, that is launch your app, and the next thing you need to do is at the bottom your system options, home, discover, you see the join option, create, and the library. So click on create, and then there are two ways you can create your Kahoot. Either use a Kahoot generator, which is AI assisted, or you use a blank canvas, which means you start from scratch. Now the problem with the AI assisted version is that you have to subscribe to do it, so you can't use the free Kahoot app and be able to do it. No, if you click on it, you see it says you should subscribe to at least Kahoot Gold, so you can't use that. So what you do is that you use from scratch. Now the first Kahoot, before you can do your first Kahoot, there are some things you need to put in. For example, you have to put in the cover image of the Kahoot, the title of the Kahoot, this theme you want to use, and it should be visible to all, or don't make it private. So let's say I don't want to add a picture. You can start the picture by tapping on it. You can pick a picture from one of these. Okay, let's just add a picture then you can crop it if you like. Tap on save, and now the theme, you have the title next. Let's say you just call it first Kahoot. Since it's our first, let's just call it that. If you click on the settings next to it, you get to put the description, you get to add the intro video, which must be from YouTube, and then you choose the visibility. Private means people you share it with can find it. Public means everybody can find it. Let's say I want to make it private. You choose the language you want also, and then you go back, and then you go to the question and click on add question. Now your Kahoot can be in form of a quiz, true or false, puzzle, typing answer question. But you give any question, they type the answer, slider, quiz plus audio, pin answer. Your Kahoot can be in that form to test your knowledge. It can be in the form of to collect opinion, which is word cloud, poll, open-ended question, brainstorming, drop pin, and skill. It can be in the form of to present information by using slide. So your Kahoot can be any of this form. Just click on them and use them. Now only the first two are free, quiz and true or false. The rest of them you have to subscribe. Okay, let's try slide. I think slide is also free. Yeah, it's free. You can also use slide free. So once you've chosen and you're through with it, click on save at the top. Now as you can see, some things are missing because I did not finish what I was doing. You're supposed to put at least 5 questions with media. These are the conditions. 5 questions with media, a title, a cover image, and make sure your questions are complete. So as you can see, I didn't actually put any question, that's why. So that is, once you're through, click on save. So that is how to create your first Kahoot, and it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.